Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire a brass landscape fixture. Insert the LED lamp. Now attach the cover over the LED lamp, screw clockwise. Insert wire through the spike. Rotate anticlockwise to form a twist, then screw onto the path light clockwise to undo the twist. Now wire your fixture to your landscape transformer or driver. The voltage is usually 12 volts, depending on the lamp chosen. Thank you for watching.